Have you ever wished you could create your own AI avatar? Something that may looks and sounds just like you, but can be used in all kinds of different ways? Well, today I'm going to show you just how amazing it is to create an AI avatar using midjourney. Midjourney is a free online tool that lets you create your own AI avatar in just a few simple steps. You don't need any special skills or software, and you can use your avatar for everything from video conferencing to social media. Whether it's for business or personal use, having an AI avatar that represents you is such a powerful tool. And the fact that you can create one for free with midjourney is just incredible. So what are you waiting for? Try it out for yourself and see just how amazing it is to create your own AI avatar with midjourney.
So what I'm going to show you now in this video is how to use midjourney, how to create these absolutely amazing artificial intelligence avatar images. It's all your creation, what you think, and how can you produce those images, which you can use for anything like your content marketing, social media marketing, maybe some tutorial, whatever the creative idea you have. This will help you do that. So Midjourney is a tool. It's a free tool available. It's not difficult. It's pretty easy to use. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use it. The first thing first, if you go to Midjourney, you will have to sign up with your free account. So let's say if you go to Midjourney and we come here, we go back to this one, midjourney.com. So as soon as you come to midjourney.com, that's what it looks like. So again, it's simple. What you have to do is just go to the sign in and go to the sign in, follow the process, put your email, and then you click here, register. So this is where you have to put your email, your username, your password, and all those details. Once you are done with that, you will get your email verification in your accounts. If you use Gmail, you will get a verification, validation in your Gmail. Follow the steps. Once your verification is done, then I'll show you the interface, the one I have. So as soon as you hear, you will see something like this. So this is basically a Discord. And within Discord, there are so many communities available. So Midjourney is one of them. And you can join like OpenAI. This is what I have already joined. So whichever you wanted to join, you click on them, and then you'll have to join it. And after that, sometime you have to accept your terms and condition, and then you will be part of that community. So for example, this one. So they have their announcement. I'm looking at it on the side of the screen, announcement, status, rules, and everything. So make sure you follow their guidelines, accept the terms and condition, and this is you get started. So after some time, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just hold on, be patient, and you will be able to see some of those newcomer rooms. Basically, these are the servers like 37, 67, and all those, right? So I created something in the past. And this is where you will actually run those command prompt or the prompt. Basically, you just go and type in and create your stuff. But before that, I'll show you. You can also at the same time leverage or use somebody else's, because it's a community. There's no copyright. You can see if you like it, some of the images you can use that. So people are putting all type of creating stuff or creating text and create and produce those images. If you look at it, so somebody put here cute animal with a dinosaur, right? You know, whatever you have the imagination, you can do. So how do you do that? Simple. One is that you are here at the command or at the prompt. I'm saying it command, but it's a prompt. You come to the prompt and you can type whatever you want, like something like this. So if somebody put a cute dinosaur, so what we can do, we can either change it and we have to put slash, or we can do imagine. You always have to start with imagine, and then you're imagining what you want to create, and then you type your text. So here is a cute dinosaur with red t-shirt. It says a red t-shirt I wanted to have. And red t-shirt riding a bike on a street. That's it, right? So now it's gonna do is that we'll see our prompt. And all the way at the bottom, I should be able to see my prompt or the status of the prompt. Or here, if you come to the message, if you see, because on the prompt on that side, you're probably going to lose it because of so much requests are coming in. So this is where you can see the progress of your avatar you wanted to create and the status. So while it's creating that one, we can also say, hey, / imagine a portrait of a girl with white shirt for an interview. And then we hit on that. So while that's being created, I can go back and see what has been created, right? A dinosaur. It came out phenomenal, right? Red shirt, riding a bicycle. So what you can do if you want to add some more variation, if you want to do it. So when you click on jump, you can click one of these options. So these are the different variations of these images, whichever you like it. Let's say V1, V2, V3, and 4, whichever. You select one of those, and then it will have some more variation, and you can produce a more high quality, good content. So if I were to go with, let's say V4, it will take time, produce that. In the meantime, we can go with this one, right? Waiting to start. So the one I wanted to have a girl, for example, a portrait of the girl. So waiting to start. So this is coming up, the one for the dinosaur. We're also running one more in a parallel, portrait of the girl with the white shirt for an interview. It's still not yet started yet, right? So again, it depends how much of the load is on the server. It takes time. But now if I go with one, so I created some more variation in this one. If you go back and compare the one we created here, right? So V4 I selected. So basically this is a V4, and then created and gave me some more variation around this. If you like it, I'll accept it. Open a new browser here, and then you should be able to download it. Or you can go and here, if you come back, we jump and we do Ultra 4 to have a more much better quality of this content. While it's upscaling the image, as you can see, as I press 4, so it will upscale the quality of the content, will make like a 4K, I believe. While I'm still waiting on that, it's still taking time. Portrait of the girl with white shirt for an interview. So maybe I need to some more details, I believe, but it's not kicked off yet. So while we'll wait and see if it's going to kick off or not. In the meantime, we have upscaling. It's still taking time, maybe because of the load on the server. So here, while it's being done, we can see some people's other work, like somebody created those Valentine. And if you want one of these images, you can also select this. So let's say if you like, for example, this one. So what I'm going to do is that most likely it is V4. I'll click on the V4 here, and it should be able to give me a much better quality of that image. Same thing here. If you wanted to select one of these images, for example, this one, if I wanted to use, right? So here I can say, okay, give V1 of that, for example. And you scroll down. So it depends, right? Which image you like it, you wanted to have it, and you can get some more details. So if you got inspired by somebody else's work, you can use that, or you can create your own. So now go back to here and see if something has come up. It's fast, very okay. So here it came, all the variation of this 1, 2, 3, 4 of that image. If you like it, continue doing that. Now here also the variation I told you before, created. If I like it, I can upscale the image and use that. While I'm waiting for the one I created, here, portrait of a girl in a white is coming up. So we'll just wait. And we know if you need to have a variety of content you can create. It can be anything, imagination you wanted to do it. You can create all type of things. So it's 31% done, 62% done. So as soon as 100%, we should be able to see the full image here. So let's go back and jump here. So now if you see this image, of a girl Ready for interview. If you wanted to make it more mature, you can put the age. Let's say somebody college graduate, whatever you wanted to show is a high school kind of girl, right? So if you wanted to add that, you can add, okay, and produce me an image of 25 years old girl. You can have some more blonde hair, for example, if you wanted to change it. Again, it gave you the variation in the hair, the way they look, all that. So if you like it, continue with that. Or if you want to have variation of one of these, select that one and produce. So it's like, again, based on your imagination, what you have, and then you start being accordingly. I hope this is helpful. Stay tuned for more. I'll be putting some more stuff. Thank you.